大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about why 来语 What is why 来语 Why 来 literally means coming from outside and 语 is language. How many Chinese words incorporated from English do you know? Chinese language adapts the foreign words to existing Chinese characters based on meaning, sound, and function. Let us go through 50 Chinese loan words originated from English. Let's get started.
西达，西达，可乐，可乐，咖啡，咖啡，拿铁，拿铁，培根，培根，贝果，贝果，宾果，宾果，博客，博客，白兰地，白兰地，布朗尼，布朗尼，卡路里，卡路里，卡通，卡通，开市米，开市米，香槟，香槟，车厘子，车厘子，橄榄球，橄榄球，雪纺蛋糕，雪纺蛋糕，巧克力，巧克力，曲奇，曲奇，季莲，季莲，可丽饼，可丽饼，可颂，可颂，昆明，昆明，咖喱，咖喱，迪斯科，迪斯科，多米诺，多米诺，德来速，德来速，蹦极，蹦极，极客，极客，黑客，黑客，雪茄，雪茄，克隆，克隆，摩登，摩登，马赛克，马赛克，慕斯，慕斯，马芬，马芬，马克杯，马克杯，霓虹，霓虹，派，派，披萨，披萨，三文鱼，三文鱼，沙丁鱼，沙丁鱼，桑拿，桑拿，雷达，雷达，脱口秀，脱口秀，托福，托福，华尔兹，华尔兹，探戈，探戈。
今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持。 再见。